5 pounds can be lost in a week. It's a common myth, and it can sound quite alluring whether you need to lose weight for your health or just want to for personal reasons. Although it is technically possible for certain people to drop that much weight in that time frame, our nutrition experts do not advise it. And it is unquestionably not a healthy strategy. Even if you lost that much weight on a low-carb or ketogenic diet, which may have primarily been water weight, you'll probably gain it all back as soon as you start eating carbs once more. Additionally, not everyone will have the same results because weight loss in general depends greatly on your metabolism and a host of other personal characteristics, such as your level of physical activity and body composition. In this video, we are going to talk about easy ways to lose weight. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Up your veggie intake. Focus on including a variety of nutritional foods into your diet to support overall health and weight management rather than limiting particular foods and food groups. Produce naturally contains little fat and calories, but is also nutrient-dense and filling. The water and fiber it contains add volume to dishes. By substituting fruits and vegetables for foods with a higher caloric content, you can make delightful dishes that are lower in calories. You're on the right track to greater health if you think about making any meal largely vegetables, at least 50% of anything you're having. Number 9. Build a better breakfast. If you are currently skipping breakfast and still finding it difficult to prioritize leading a healthy lifestyle, a balanced meal that is packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats will alter your day. By making you feel hangry in the afternoon, skipping breakfast may affect your hunger hormones throughout the day, making it more difficult for you to resist overeating or seeking foods high in sugar and refined carbohydrates. Breakfasts that will fill you up, keep you full, and ward off cravings later in the day are the greatest, heartiest breakfast options. For your morning meal, aim for 400 to 500 calories and include a source of lean protein, satisfying fat, such as eggs, unsweetened Greek yogurt, nuts, or nut butters, and fiber, veggies, fruit, or 100% whole grains. You'll lose weight if you start your day with a blood sugar stabilizing combination of nutrients. Number 8. Snack smart. Many widely consumed snacks today are high in calories but low in nutrients. Refined grains like cereals, chips, crackers, and cookies as well as calorie-dense beverages like juice and soda are frequently the main offenders. For weight loss, aim for healthy snacking options with at least 4 grams of fiber and 4 grams of protein to keep you full. Try to keep snacks under 300 calories. Pick items that are ideally low in salt and added sugar as well. Number 7. Eat mindfully. Portion control can be aided by taking your time when eating and concentrating on the flavors, textures, temperatures, and aromas of your food. However, mindful eating also entails paying close attention to what you eat and when you eat it. This can help you spot unnecessary munching moments throughout the day that you might not be aware of but could be adding extra calories to your diet. More essential, attempt to stay away from eating meals that you didn't choose. The focus of control can be shifted from outside authorities and cues to your body's own inner wisdom with the aid of mindful eating. Making smarter decisions in the short and long term also involves recognizing where your extra calories truly originate from. Number 6. Skip sugary beverages. Simply said, liquid calories don't make us feel as satisfied as actual food does. A bowl of stir-fried vegetables and protein is much more satiating than a juice or caramel coffee drink. Avoiding sugary drinks is frequently the simplest way to lose weight more quickly, and as an added bonus, it's beneficial for things like heart health and diabetes prevention. So be careful how much juice, soda, sweetened coffee, tea, and alcoholic beverages you consume. If you sip on each of those drinks throughout the day, you'll have consumed an additional 800 calories by nightfall and still feel hungry. Alcohol may, incidentally, inhibit the metabolism of fat, making it more difficult for you to burn those calories. Number 5. Start strength training. Strength training increases the amount of lean muscle tissue, which burns more calories both while working and while at rest, 7 days a week. You will lose weight more quickly the more lean muscle you possess. How do you begin a strength training program? Try a few lunges, squats, or push-ups. Simple tricep extensions and bicep curls can be done with free weights in the comfort of your home or workplace. If you like, incorporate some fresh leg, arm, back, and ab exercises. Just 3 to 4 times a week of strength exercise can significantly improve posture, range of motion, stability, and weight loss. Number 4. Spice up your life. In fact, Eating spicy food can aid in calorie reduction. This is due to the fact that the component capsaicin, which is present in both jalapeno and cayenne peppers, may, slightly, raise your body's production of stress hormones like adrenaline, which can hasten the rate at which you burn calories. Additionally, consuming hot peppers may encourage you to eat more slowly and limit your intake. You're more likely to remain aware of your hunger cues. Number 3. Go to bed earlier. Numerous studies have shown that having less sleep than is ideal, or roughly 7 hours per night, can cause your metabolism to slow down. Chronic sleep deprivation may even change the hormones that regulate hunger, and some studies link choosing unhealthy foods and insufficient sleep. Numerous other advantages of getting enough sleep include increasing alertness, enhancing mood, and generally improving quality of life. Don't shortchange yourself on sleep, and you'll be rewarded with an edge when it comes to general health and weight loss. Every minute counts, so start small by simply advancing bedtime by 15 to 30 minutes. Number 2. Keep a food journal. Studies repeatedly show that people who document every meal, especially those they eat, are more likely to lose weight and keep it off in the long run. A 2019 study that was published in Obesity found that the habit also takes less than 15 minutes per day on average when it is practiced frequently. Start keeping track with a simple notepad or a monitoring app like MyFitnessPal. You'll be able to take responsibility for your food choices. Plus, when it's written down in front of you, you can quickly spot places that could require some improvement. Number 1. Take a walk. As it can help you maximize your NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, which is essentially the energy expended for everything other than formal exercise and sleep, walking can be a highly beneficial weight management tool. NEAT can be an excellent tool for assisting you in achieving your goals if you are walking for weight loss. Even walking decreases with weight increase and in obese people, according to research. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.